In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the left front exterior door handle for Honda Civic EK. The left front exterior door handle. Open the left front door. Using the trim panel pry tool, remove the speaker cover from the top of the door panel. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the retaining bolt from the interior door handle. Using the trim panel pry tool, remove the trim cover around the interior door handle. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the switch retaining bolt. Remove the power window switch assembly. Unplug the connector. Continue using the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the door panel retaining bolts. Slide the interior door handle to the side. Pull out the connector. Using the small flathead screwdriver, assist to release the locking tab on the interior door handle cable. Pull down the lock tab and remove the cable. Using the trim panel pry tool, pry along the edges of the door panel to pop it off. Remove the door panel. Feed the wiring harness through. Using the small flathead screwdriver, disconnect the exterior door handle cable. Continue using the same tool to disconnect the lock cylinder cable. First, release the locking tab. Then pull the cable out. Using the small 10mm long socket with the small long extension bar and small electric impact wrench, remove the exterior door handle retaining bolts. Remove the exterior door handle. Here's the comparison of old versus new left front exterior door handle. The reason we are replacing the exterior handle is because the old one is broken, causing the door to not open. Before installing the new exterior handle, transfer the lock cylinder from the old handle. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the retaining clip. Then remove the lock cylinder. Align the holes and install it directly onto the new handle. The new handle comes with its own retaining clip, so we don't need to reuse the old one. Just reinstall it in place. Install the new exterior door handle. Align the bolt holes and install the retaining bolts. Install the other retaining bolt. Using the small 10mm long socket with the small long extension bar and small electric impact wrench, tighten the exterior handle retaining bolts. Install the lock cylinder cable. Align it with the mounting hole. Push the lock tab back. Install the exterior handle cable. Install it into place until fully seated. Feed the window switch harness through the door panel. Align the holes and install the door panel. Align the door panel into place to secure the clips. Install the interior door handle. Install the retaining clip and align the holes. Install the retaining clip. Plug in the connector. Slide the interior door handle and push it to the left to lock it in place. Plug in the power window switch connector. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, install and tighten the door panel retaining bolts. Install the power window switch. Continue using the Phillips head screwdriver to install the switch retaining bolt and tighten it. Install and tighten the interior door handle retaining bolt. Install the interior door handle trim cover. Align it and press into place. Install the trim plate on the door panel. Close the door.